Welcome to Chinese in Minutes, where learning Mandarin is simple, fun, and fast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some really cool Chinese characters. We're going to break them apart, look at their building blocks, and uncover their hidden stories. And the best part? By the end of this video, you'll never forget them. Let's jump right in. First up, 吃. 吃. This character means to eat. On the left, we've got the radical, 口, mouth. Makes sense, right? On the right, there's 祈, to beg or request. Here, it's just helping with the sound. So together, mouth plus sound equals putting food in your mouth. Easy. It means to eat. Next, we've got jiào. Jiào, meaning to call or to shout. Again, left side, 口, mouth. Always about sound. On the right, we've got jiào, giving us the sound. So, mouth plus sound equals calling out loud. Pretty cool, right? Now let's check out ma. This little guy is a question particle. On the left, same story. 口, mouth. On the right, we've got ma, horse. But don't worry, it doesn't mean horse here. It just gives the sound. Ma goes at the end of a sentence to turn it into a yes or no question. Like, 你好吗? 你好吗? How are you? Simple, right? Not follow-up question particle. And finally, not another question particle, but this one's for follow-up questions. Left side, call, mouth, again. Right side, 你, giving us the sound. You'll hear this a lot in everyday talk. For example, 你呢, 你呢, and you. So, 吃, jiào, ma, and na. All four characters are built with the mouth radical. That's why they're all about eating, speaking, or asking questions. Cool, right? And that's it for today. We broke down four super common characters, 吃, jiào, ma, and na, and discovered how they all connect back to the mouth radical.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Chinese in Minutes.